Yeah, are you even looking for ways to extract quality business lead from Yellow Page so you can promote your product or your service to them, but we are finding it difficult to extract it? Because if we go to Yellow Page, maybe you are trying to extract leads from electrician, let's say electrician. So for you to be extracting these leads one by one, it's going to be taking a lot of strength and a lot of time. So you are looking for software that you can use to extract this quality business lead from Yellow Page and promote your product and service to them. So in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to show you this amazing Yellow Page image extractor software that you can use to generate unlimited leads from Yellow Page in any keyword you target. So if this is your first time watching our YouTube video, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So I'm going to walk you through how this software works. So before we get started, so this is the particular Yellow Page extractor software I'm going to be using in this particular video. So this is the software is called Lead Sniper Yellow Page Scraper. With this software, you'll be able to scrape leads from Yellow Page. So before I get started, for me to make sure this software is working perfectly, so I've been running this software on my RDP like this. I'm running it here. So let me show you the leads it has generated for me so far. Still running. So I've been running it on my RDP, so VPS hosting. So like you see, it has already generated me close to 12,000 leads. So I'm still counting, I've not stopped it, it's still generating. So for me to make sure that this software is working perfectly before I show you to you, so you can use this software to extract quality business lead from Yellow Page. So let me show you how you can get the software, how it works, how you can start using it to generate quality leads for your business. So for you to get the software, so just click the link under this video tutorial. It's going to take you to the page. So the software, so this is the page to get the software. So when you're extracting Yellow Page leads, so you are going to generate the business name, the telephone, the full address, the street address. So these are the data this software is going to extract for you. So these are the data is going to extract for you. So you can just scroll down, so you can get this software for just less than $149. So and it's a lifetime access. So it's just an extension, Chrome extension is a lifetime access. So if you want to use it on one installation, is going to cost you $149. So if you want to use on 5 installation, maybe you want to share it with your team or you want to resell it back to people, it's going to cost you $267 and is a lifetime access. And if you want to use it on 10 installation PC, is going to cost you $389, is a lifetime access. So just choose the one that fits you and start using to extract quality lead from Yellow Page. So after you go for your own prefer, so after you go for the best option that suits you right now, so you can just go click on buy now. If you are going for the lifetime as the starter plan, which is going to cost right now $150. So with this, you are going to get lifetime update, extract unlimited leads. You are going to get dedicated support. Their support is very fast. You can message their support on WhatsApp or Telegram. So it's very fast. I've tested it out and they are working perfectly. So money back guarantee. So maybe you use the software and it does not give you the results you want, they issue money back guarantee. So you can target any location for your keyword. You can target any city for your keyword. So you can extract area search page automatically. So you don't have to do any manual work. All you have to do is to enter the keyword and the software will start extracting your software for you. So before you gotten your software, this is how to install it. Maybe I've already installed it on here, so I just want to go to show you. After maybe I've purchased, just click the link to purchase it. So just click on these 3 dots, click on your extension, manage extension. So just click on this yellow page, click on this installation file, just and click on select folder. So is here, so just check this again. So after you have already installed it, so you have gotten your license, you are going to be seeing the free trial. So the free trial is going to allow you to extract maybe 10 emails, so for you just to check it out. So for you to activate your license, you can just click on this here and paste your license to it, so it's going to validate. After you paste your license, then the next step for you to do is to enter the keyword you are targeting. So just enter the keyword. So as for me, if I want to generate leads from using software to generate leads, so the best way and the good way for you to do that is to use multiple keywords like this. Let me show you some sample. So let me show you some keyword. Like if you are targeting leads, so depending on the product or the service you are offering, so maybe I'm offering some digital service, so if I can just copy this keyword, I'm targeting this business lead, so you just paste your keyword here. So you just paste as much as possible keyword, so there's no limitation, you can put many keywords to it. So enter your location. So if you want to extract leads from using email extractor or phone number extractor, I will encourage you, don't enter the country as location. Maybe you want to extract leads from USA, you not enter USA, you are not going to see good leads, or you're not the number of leads you are going to generate is going to be few. So for you to see many leads, so just enter the city or the state. So that's what I'm going to do here. You're just going to enter the state. This is the USA state, so just paste it here, then click on start. So I'm using the free version, so it will start generating the leads. Can you see it will start generating the email leads for you? So maybe you have already gotten the software, and you are, when you want to open your yellow page, you receive an error that forbidden, and the solution you are going to do is just to on your VPN. So like here I'm using PR VPN, so just on your VPN and you are going to get access to the yellow page. So that's one of the issues you can face. Maybe you are not living in the United States and you want to open yellow page, you see error, so you can just cancel it. Okay, can you see the free trial? So you can just use, you can just extract 10 leads from it, so that's why it stopped. So if you are using it, that's one of the reasons why you should get the pro version. So you can get the pro version for less than $150. Like I show you here, this is the exact software I'm using on this my RDP. I've already used it to generate 12,000 leads. It's still generating. Can you see the same method? So that's how you can use it to extract your quality lead. So let's save it. So you just click on export. So just download it at SLSS. So just download it like this. Can you see it's going to give you a clean data? Can you see it's going to bring the business name, the city, the country, the state, the street address, the zip code. So it's going to generate you the phone number in case if you want to use it for SMS marketing, or you want to use it for code calling, you can use their phone number. And also it's going to generate to their Facebook URL if the business, if it's available on their profile, the Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. So you're going to see on their website. Also you're going to see their website if it's available on their profile. Can you see it's going to generate it for you? Can you see this? The list is going to generate for you. So that's the list, and also it's going to generate their emails if available. So the emails, if the business profile have email address, is going to generate it for you. So this is how you can extract quality business lead from Yellow Page using this particular Yellow Page email extractor. So like for you just to get access to this software, just click the link under this video tutorial so you can start using it to extract quality business lead from Yellow Page. So and also after you have gotten this software, so you can just chat us up. We are going to give you a free email sender software that you can use to send bulk emails, and also we are going to show you how you can use your Gmail SMTP to send bulk emails. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any question or you need any assistance or you want us to help you with this software, so just click the link under this video to chat us on our WhatsApp, or you should use this comment box. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you again.